Good morning, everybody. This is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity. Whoa, my RPMs are jumping like crazy. Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another moto vlog. Today I am riding to work, and it is a special day because, let's give you a little bit of background. I met a guy named Roy commenting in one of the videos. I believe he was also in a live chat, and we talked a whole bunch. Eventually, he became a subscriber, and then became a Patreon, and then, I don't know, I gave him my cell phone number. He's one of the very few that has my cell phone number, and we text back and forth. He lives up closer towards East Texas. He has more extreme temperatures, and he ended up buying an RTX, kind of a Cub clone, which is pretty cool. I like it. It's nice. And we've been modding scooters together, technically together, like we've been talking about this and that. He sent me a whole bunch of parts. My summer gloves that are orange came from him, and I have an orange backpack. My wife got a pink backpack from him, and a bunch of other things. My plugs, my CDI, and a couple other things came from him, which is pretty cool. But that's not the main point of this. Well, I guess, kind of. Well, today he sent me, or yesterday, he sent me something that I was in dire need of. Ta-da! Winter gloves! He sent me winter gloves. He also sent a fuel can, an aluminum fuel can that you can put in your backpack. Which is pretty awesome, but I'm not going to put it on my backpack. I'm going to put it on the ruckus frame somewhere in the front as a spare fuel bottle. So it'll be good. Really quick, here is the box. I wanted to show everybody what was in the box. So here we go. So here's what he got. Wiretaps in 3 different bags in blue, red, and yellow orangish color. I'll never need another wiretap again. The crimps that use a heat gun that has a bit of solder in the center so that it can connect, including some black ones, which these are amazing. These will be great for power and grounds. A whole box of waterproof connections. These would be great for like tail light assembly and stuff like that. Awesome. And regular connectors, all the way from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6. This would also work for the taillight because it's a 6-pin connector. That's awesome. 2 inline fuses, which I know I need. And the best part, 2 winter gloves. Yes! This is so amazing. And they're orange, and there's 2, and it'll keep air from blowing up my sleeves. And then an awesome thing to put around my neck, so when I'm riding, I could put this on. Shadow, what are you doing? No, this is for me. So there you go. We got it right there. That is from my buddy Roy, who is a longtime subscriber and a longtime Patreon also. So if you ask me, that's pretty cool. That's a lot of stuff. The connectors and everything, you know, it could be really useful. I need to get a pin crimper, but it's cool. Anyways, thank you, Roy, very much for being a Patreon, long time. Thank you for being a subscriber, and thank you for commenting on videos and learning scooters with me. Oh yeah, he also got me a neck warmer, a little black thing that goes around your neck so that wind doesn't blow up through your jacket. And it's working too. Now my jacket, which I thought was the best thing in the world, it feels like it's leaking like a sieve because my hands and my neck are warm, but everything else is cold. But that's okay. It's good to have ventilation, right? So, I mentioned it in the last video, but we're doing a ride through Prestonwood. We're gonna meet at Torchy's Tacos, and from Torchy's Tacos we're gonna go to Prestonwood and drive both routes. It's gonna take a while because there's gonna be a lot of cars in front of us. And then after we ride through Torchy's Tacos, ride through Torchy's Tacos. Yeah, we're gonna ride our bikes through Torchy's Tacos and then go to people's houses and eat. No. After we go through Prestonwood, then we'll probably stop off at the gas station that's right by, say our goodbyes, and then go home for the day. But hopefully we can get a really good ride and a really good video out of this. Last year when I rode that ride, I rode the KP Mini, I believe. Yeah, I rode the KP Mini, but it was shortly after. No, it was in the Ruckus because I had broke my arm in November and I really wanted to go, so I rode the Ruckus. And the Ruckus I can ride because I don't have to do much with my left arm as long as I take care with the front brake. Plus it was a Get motor back then, so it was a lot easier to handle, I'm sure. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna decorate my bike. I'm gonna put some Christmas lights on it. Oh shoot, school bus. I'm gonna put what did I say? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put Christmas lights, and then I think I'm gonna put a Christmas tree right here, and then there'll be like a Christmas tree in the middle of the bike. I'm not 100% sure how I want to do it, but when those Christmas lights come in, then we can have fun with it, and it'll be exciting, and we'll have a great day, and we'll have a great night, and we can take pictures with everybody. So just in case you guys are wondering, the Miata is going to come out of the garage soon and go to the shop for repair. We're going to get it taken care of. We're going to put it on the lift, which I think is done. I don't know. My brother might have completed it. And then fix it and get it running again and clean it up and all sorts of good stuff. My dad needs a car to ride while he's here in the USA, America. So yeah, and then I will recover a whole nother big giant blob of space in my garage. Woohoo! Exciting, right? I think it's exciting. What is in front of me? That is a bus, like a metro bus, but it's like green and yellow. But yeah, then that car will be fixed. Hopefully I'll be able to get some videos on that. And then I got some stuff coming up for the Ruckus next week, as well as the X22 GT, and I think, yeah, it has something for the KPR 200 also coming out. Yeah, I'm trying to get together some of these install videos, because I haven't done an install video right now in a while, and I guess everyone's getting really tired of me, like, motovlogging and blabbing around, blah, 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 blah. All you do is blah, blah, blah. I never say blah, blah, blah. Anyone know what movie that's from? Anyways, I'm very cold, but not as cold as I was yesterday, because Roy got me these cool gloves. What's cool about them is they go over my sleeve of my jacket, so wind isn't like railing off my hands and into my sleeve. So that was the best part of it. The best part of waking up is winter gloves on your hands. Uh-oh, I think I'm in the traffic line. Yeah, I got out of the traffic line just in time. Just in time, eternity, gonna give it up, upside down. I'm in a musical mood today for some reason. Oh, it's a school bus thing, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna go hurry up and get to where I need to go. My legs are cold now, so I guess I need to get some kind of like long underwear or something. Anyone have any suggestions as to what type of long underwear I should wear? Boy, it's super windy. Like super windy. Oh my god. I don't know if you can hear that in the helmet, but it's like really windy. Ooh. Okay. So a strong headwind can affect your GY6. I'm not wide open throttle, but I was only barely getting to 50. Oh yeah, also when I changed the front tire on here, I changed the magnet position. And not necessarily the magnet position, like where it is. I mean, it's a little bit taller than it was before, but the orientation of the magnet has changed. So I wonder if that magnetic field that's changed from the orientation has caused my calibration to go off on my speedometer. Anyways, it's a good theory, and I just want to see. I'll probably have to just go through another calibration process on here. Anyways, I am avoiding the intersection of doom, and I am in the new intersection of joy. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry about so many moto vlogs, but I feel like I'm blabbing a lot and I don't have a lot of money to spend on parts to put into bikes, so you're just gonna have to hear my voice for a little bit longer until January, unless I get Christmas presents that are ruckus parts, which I highly doubt, because my wife said I asked her for scooter parts and she said no scooter parts. I was like, okay, fine, it'd be content, but you know, whatever. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see everybody in the next video.